Hi and welcome back. In this video, I am going to teach you one simple trick that you can use to become a fluent English speaker in just 10 minutes spending a day. The best part of this is that you don't need any partner to practice with. You can do it by yourself. This technique has worked for many students, and I guarantee you, if you follow what I am going to tell you in this video, you will become a fluent speaker very soon. So, what is this trick? It's a technique known as jam, not that jam. Yes, it's jam. It is just a fluency game, the meaning of which is just a minute. Means you have to spend a minute of your time daily on playing this game. This game has three stages. So here is how you have to play this game. You are going to talk about a topic for a minute. That is, you are going to give a speech for 1 minute without any preparation. So you can pick one general topic, or what you can do, you can just pick a question. General topic may include like sports, your hobbies, books, or any other thing. Or you can just pick up a question and start speaking about it for 1 minute without any preparation. Now, when you do this, there are some rules to it. Number one, that while doing this, you do not have to stop at any point of time. You have to speak continuously for 1 minute. You can take a pause for almost 3 seconds, not more than that. But you have to speak continuously, even though you are speaking anything nonsense or anything that is not of meaning. But you have to speak continuously for 1 minute and set the timer for it. You have to keep talking, all right? The rule number two is that you don't have to repeat the ideas, same ideas, over and over again. All right, you don't have to repeat anything again and again because it's not a pronunciation practice. It's basically we are practicing the fluency of how to speak in English. All right, so what you have to do, you have to speak continuously but with different ideas, not the repetition of anything in between. It doesn't matter if you're speaking anything wrong, but you have to speak continuously. Rule number three is that there should not be any writing in between. All right, you don't have to write your ideas or anything on the piece of paper before speaking. So it should be just speaking. All right, you have to speak anything just from your mind and from your thoughts. You don't have to write it down anywhere else. So to begin with, you have to set a timer for 60 seconds, and you can do it on your phone or somewhere else. And then when once the for example once the timer has been started, you just pick up a topic and start speaking anything you want to speak. All right, just gather all your ideas together and start speaking. For example, let's say I'll give a try on myself. All right, I'll see that how fluent I speak. So let's start with the first step. So now, as you know that I have not done any preparation before, so let's think of a question that I must answer in 1 minute. So what would be like my favorite mode of transportation? So let's begin it. So my preferred mode of transport is the train transport. All right. So most of the time, like I'm traveling with my kids and my family, I usually prefer train transport. Also, I like train transport because it is more of a relaxed journey. Because while we travel by car or by any other mode of transportation, it is much of like tiredness. It creates much tiredness and much uneasiness to me and to my kids. Um, Also, while traveling through the train transport, we used to see many sceneries, many places that comes on the way to our journey. See how I am struggling to create the sentences because I have not prepared for it. So let's start. So that is why, and also we usually meet so many people in the train and make friends with them. So basically, this is why I love the train transport more. Phew, that was hard, but that's okay. That was the whole point of doing this exercise. So that was the stage one. So now we are going to move towards stage two, and here is where we are going to build our fluency. First part of phase two is using pen and paper. So now you can make your notes. So now you can start thinking about the speech that you gave right now and start collecting the ideas. And that ideas you can now write down in the piece of paper or somewhere you want to write it down. All right. The main point of writing these ideas is that, like, you can now write down certain things connected to it. The first thing that I remember from my speech is that we usually see different sceneries. All right. And we get to meet new people. Also, I remember the train journeys are more relaxing, okay, then comparatively to other journeys. So these are my ideas that I remember from my last speech. So now once you have all these ideas now written on the piece of paper, you again have to deliver the speech, and you have to set a timer for it for 1 minute. Okay, you have to repeat this exercise again, but with the help of the ideas that you have already noted on your piece of paper. So now you will see that this time you are able to create more ideas and you are able to speak more fluently from the earlier speech, as you have ideas with you. All right. So now again you can start your speech for 1 minute. All right. So let me again try. Um, so my favorite or my preferred mode of transport is train transportation. Reason being, because when I prefer the train transport, I usually go for a longer travel, and while traveling in other mode of transportation, it is not much convenient for me to go with kids and family. So the train transport is the much preferred one and much relaxing for me. Also, while I travel in train, I get to meet different people from different communities, and I love to meet different people. All right, so we actually share the ideas, or we actually get to know different people while traveling through the train. Also, there is one more benefit that there, when while you are traveling through train, you get to know, like, there are how many cities or states that are coming during your journey. So so it is basically like, it increase your knowledge or increase your understanding about the areas or geography that you are living in the country. So so guys, now you see the this speech is more informational and more fluent than the last one, because now I have the ideas that I have noted down on the piece of paper or somewhere, and now I can create a story or expand my sentences according to those ideas. So this was my second try, and believe me, second try will be much better than the first one. So this way, now the third time, when you are again going to write down some more ideas related to these earlier ideas. Okay, write down more ideas and then start speaking again for 1 minute, repeating the same exercise. So this way, like repeating this for 3 times, okay, you will really get more benefit, and you are going to be a, like, way better English speaker, okay, than you were earlier. So now, as we have progressed and we have done all these three stages, so there is one bonus tip for you. So the bonus tip is that you are doing this process, so you record yourself. If you have a mobile phone or some recorder, you record what you are speaking. All right, in during every speech, you record your speeches, and you can save it somewhere. And while you are doing this, or during your learning journey, and during your like speaking journey, you can refer to your earlier speeches that you have already recorded, and you can see the improvement that has like come to your speaking. Okay, so this way, not only you can see what you are speaking, what you are pronunciating, what you are actually like delivering, how your voice listen to yourself, okay, and to others, how much confidence your like voice have. Okay, so all these parameters you can judge if you record your voice or your speeches. So start recording it. And also try to like compare your earlier speeches with the latest one and see the improvement. And also like try to identify the areas of weakness where you want to where you have to work out. All right, and follow this thing daily for 1 minute, and I guarantee you that you will be a very good speaker. So guys, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe this channel, and let me know if you want something else to know in the comment box. All right, let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.